To get started with the TD Bank mobile app, you will need to download and install it on your device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be found in the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for TD Bank mobile app. Click on the TD Bank mobile app icon to go to the app details page. Then click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Once the app has finished downloading, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to accept the terms and conditions of the app. Click the Accept button to proceed. If you are a new user, you will need to create a username and password to log into the app. Click on the New User button and follow the prompts to create your username and password. You will need to provide some personal and account information to verify your identity. If you are already a TD Bank online banking user, you can use your existing username and password to log into the app. Click on the Login button and enter your username and password in the required fields. Once you have logged in, you will have access to a range of features and services, including account balances, transaction history, bill pay, and mobile deposit. You can also use the app to find TD Bank branches and ATMs, and to contact customer service. To ensure the security of your account, it is recommended that you use a strong and unique password, and that you keep your device and app up to date. You should also be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks to access the app, and avoid using public computers to log into your account. By following these steps, you can easily download and log in to the TD Bank mobile app and start taking advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. The app is a great way to manage your finances on the go, and can help you to stay on top of your accounts and avoid missing payments.